to Katie.Pix. What the hell are you doing here?
I actually have no idea what I'm doing here.
His panic little face, I love it. Guys, if you follow me on Instagram at the Katie.Pix, get that link.
Follow it.
You will know who this guy is. This is Will Cloakes. Cloakster.
Yeah, Cloakes is good.
I did a 12-week transformation. Again, if you haven't seen it, I'm going to put that link in there because I'm very proud.
We're pretty proud.
Not gonna lie, really chuffed with it.
Yeah.
Will transformed me by putting me through my paces in the gym and actually, for the first time ever, making me love fitness.
We've had a really good time, haven't we?
I didn't expect to ever say that. And now I thought it'd be fun to turn the tables, where instead of being put through the paces in the gym, oh wait, no, we are still doing that. Yeah. I'm going to put Will through his paces in the kitchen. Yay! Whoa. I've made it easier for you already. I've laid out your equipment and I'm going to talk you through step by step to also show you guys how easy it is at home to make these delicious, healthy recipes. Today, we're making protein balls. Should you have protein pre or post gym?
It's a very good question. The best time to have it is probably post-gym because you want to get a little bit of muscle repair into the body.
That's it, because in the gym you're like breaking fibres down.
You are indeed.
Let's just get straight into it, shall we?
Let's do it.
Can you separate an egg?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go with yes.
Confidence.
Yeah,
Confidence
let's
is
go with
key.
it. My mother would be so proud of me.
It started strong. This is high protein and it's also something carbohydrates.
Come on, you can get there.
Complex.
There you go.
Complex carbohydrates, which are the carbohydrates that keep you sustained for longer.
Bosh.
Slow burning.
There you go. Fills you up a little bit longer.
And that's,
burns off slowly.
So that's what we want in this recipe. Into a little mini hand blender is gonna go our egg whites, 50 grams of sultanas, and some vanilla paste. Lid on, blitz. Ah, nicely done. So we're just gonna blitz it until we get a bit of a kind of fluffy paste going. Okay, and stop. And then into this bowl, we're gonna go in with the rest of our ingredients, to be honest. So we've got 100 grams of crunchy peanut butter, 30 grams of rolled oats, 75 grams of ground almonds. Yeah. 25 grams of protein powder going in there. And then we're gonna add in our wet mix. Give it a good stir.
Any special techers here, Katie? Or
No, just want to get it full combined. Actually, that's already a nice action. But what you're going to get is a really nice kind of stodgy dough-like texture. I'm really enjoying this style of cooking where I've just got a cup of tea, just directing. That is the perfect texture though, because what you've got here is it's going to hold its own. It's thick, it's stodgy, all the flavours are beautifully combined, and that's everything we need. I'm going to toast off some flaked almonds. This is going to just cover our protein balls. Just going to sprinkle in. Do you know what else I'm going to put into it actually? Bit of salt. You can't go wrong with a bit of salt. I'm no salt bae.
It's just a classic.
It's more of an Ainsley Harriet.
Yeah.
We're going to make some balls, so they just need to be golf ball size, I reckon.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah, exactly. I'm going to put these on here.
Would you want me to put this on this pig?
You're going to roll that around in our little flaked almonds.
And like, this is something that anyone can do, eh?
Yeah, exactly. And it doesn't take, because I'm not going to lie, you can pay a lot for a protein ball, but actually...
Oh, you can pay like so much for them these days.
And this is peanuts.
Hey! Oh my God.
That's all you get here is A-class comedy.
Get me out.
Ta-da! Well done.
So happy.
Well done. Aren't they beautiful?
They are looking good.
Easy, simple, quick to make, super tasty, although now's the time to put that to the test. Acceptable?
It's good.
I mean, if that's how you want to consume protein, I'm happy with that. That's nice, right?
They're really nice.
So easy, super delicious, packed full of protein. Get one of those down you after you've worked out. Guys, thank you so much to Will for coming. And
pleasure.
You're going to see a lot more of him as well. If you want to know more about Revolution and the Revolution City team, where I did my training, make sure you check out the links in the description box below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, Goodbye.